Hey, what is up everybody? Josh Quinones here, and today's video is all about the TicWatch Pro by TicWatch. They were nice enough to send this watch out for me to go ahead and take a look at. So today's video is just going to be an unboxing and first impressions of the watch. Now, this is a smartwatch and you can actually get it for a pretty great price. It runs around $230 on Amazon, but right now they're having a deal for $213. So you can pick it up for around $213 right now on Amazon. So that's about $17 off the normal price. But yes, this is a smartwatch. This is the TicWatch Pro. So let's go ahead and get to this unboxing. Now, of course, on the front of the box, you get the picture of the watch, which actually looks really, really nice. I'm not going to lie. First impressions of just the picture, I am pretty impressed with how nice it looks. But of course, we're going to have to see the real thing to see exactly what it looks like, what it feels like, how the build quality is. And in the back of the box, you kind of got the specs of the watch. So up top, TicWatch Pro, a premium Wear OS smartwatch that lasts up to 5 days on a single charge. Now, of course, we're going to have to test that out. It does have Wear OS by Google, 5-day battery life with layered display, Google Pay with NFC payments, premium materials, has a GPS tracker, you got music streaming, it is IP68 water and dust resistant, so that's great if you're someone that likes to go swimming with your watch, or maybe wear it in the shower, or maybe you're washing dishes and your watch gets wet, so that's always something great to have. It also has a heart rate sensor with step tracking, over 1,000 watch faces with Google Play, and it also has a built-in Google Assistant, which is great. I prefer Google Assistant over Bixby. As many of you know, I do wear the Galaxy Watch that has Bixby built into it. So having Google Assistant on this one is a huge plus. So on top of the box, just talks a little bit more about the watch. Premium smartwatch, layered display with dual screens, which is pretty cool. Unrivaled battery life, GPS and health sensors, and music streaming. So let's go ahead and get this watch out of the box so we can see exactly what it looks like. Set that over there, and it looks like, okay, kind of got to shake it out a little bit here. Let's get it out of there. Here we go. A little bit tough to take out. All right, and there is the watch. Oh my gosh, that actually looks pretty nice. Let me take the plastic off of here. And let's see, okay, there's no more plastic. So that is the watch right there. This is what it's going to look like as soon as you open the box. And actually it looks pretty nice for something that costs $230 with a deal going on right now for $213. This isn't bad looking at all, but let me go ahead and take it out right here. There we go. Go ahead and take this out as well. Let me take this plastic off. It's always good to keep it nice and protected. And this is the watch. Though, you know what? The watch strap actually looks really nice. It's like a nice leather material, feels like. Let me do a smell test to see if it smells like real leather. You know what? It does smell pretty good. I'm not sure if it is real leather, but it does smell really good. And yeah, nice leather material. The watch, let me bring the Galaxy Watch out so we can kind of compare the sizes here. I have it over here on the side. So as you can see here, this is the Galaxy Watch, this is the TicWatch Pro, and they look almost similar as far as the screen size goes. The Galaxy Watch maybe looks a little bit bigger, but as far as size go, they pretty much almost look the same. The Galaxy Watch, you are able to turn the top to scroll. This one does not have that. It is steel. And also, if you notice on the Galaxy Watch, it is made of metal all around the sides. And this one right here is actually a plastic. But for $230, you're paying less for this watch. Obviously, it's not going to be as super premium as the Galaxy Watch. But you guys stay tuned because I will be doing a comparison video on both watches. All right, so let me go ahead and set this over to the side for now and see what else comes in the box. So on this side, on the left side, it looks like we have the charger. Yes, this is the charger for the watch. So let's see, I already got the watch open up right here. Let me take the strap off really quick so we can see how this charger works. Okay, so it looks like you got the little inserts right here. So you just gotta lay it flat down on the charger like this, and it's actually magnetized, which is pretty cool. So it's going to stay on there. And then of course, I don't have it plugged in right now, but once it is plugged in, that is how you get it charged. And then you just pop it right off when you're ready to go. So we got the charger over on the right side, and then over here on the left side is of course the instructions that probably most people could care less about and don't even read. But with the smartwatch, you never know. If you're someone that hasn't worn a smartwatch before, you might want to take a look at this. This might do you some good. So let's go ahead and throw all this to the side for now, and let's take a look just at the watch itself. Let me see if it's got some juice. Let me try to turn it on here. I think this is the power button, or let's see, it might be the top one. Here we go. And I don't think the watch has any juice right now. So what I'm going to do, I'm going to throw it on the charger for a little bit, and I'll get right back with you guys. All right, you guys, so I am back, and obviously in a different location. The watch did take some time to charge, and by the time it was charged up and ready to go, I lost all my good lighting in the room I was in. So obviously, as you can see, I ended up moving where the lighting is now a little bit better. So I got the watch all set up and ready to go. Now let's take a look at it. So as I mentioned before, like the top of the box says, this does have a layered display with dual screens, and what you're seeing here is the always on display, just giving you a basic look at the time. You have the date and your steps, but if I press the top button, which is actually the power button and home button, then you'll get your secondary display, which shows you your clock. Whatever watch face you choose, that is what's going to show up. This is just a watch face I chose for now. Let me go ahead and put it on my wrist so you can see what it looks like. All right, so this is what the watch is going to look like once on the wrist, and it fits pretty comfortable. The watch strap is actually really comfortable, and it doesn't feel too firm or anything like that. It's actually a very comfortable fit. And in order to get to apps or anything like that, you just press the home button, press it again, and then you got the apps right there. In order to scroll, you actually have to do it with your fingers scrolling up and down. There's just so much to choose from and go through. And I will go through all this in my full review, but you cannot turn your bezel or anything like that like the Galaxy Watch to get to your different apps. You do have to do everything by scrolling with your fingers. So I don't know, for some people might like that, some people might not, because you do tend to get fingerprints on the screen when doing that. But all you got to do is just do a quick wipe, but it does run super smooth. Look at this. Look how smooth this watch runs. I'm very impressed with this. Not gonna lie. And then if you want to go back, you just press the power button or the home button. And then on the bottom here, this is actually, if you press it once, I haven't set it up yet, but it gives you options for your exercise apps. And then if you double press it, it's going to give you an option to bring up your Google Pay, which I have not set up yet at the moment as well. Like I said, I'm just barely starting to get to know this watch, but overall first impressions for a watch that only cost around $230, I really don't think it's that bad of a deal. For someone that has been wanting maybe the Galaxy Watch, but you just don't have the money to dish out for it, this might be the next best watch to go with. Since it is cheaper, it might be a lot more affordable for some people, and it also looks good. It doesn't look too bad, though it might not be as premium as the Galaxy Watch. Obviously, there are going to be some differences, but as far as smartwatches go, you really can't complain for the price. But like I said, if you guys want to see a comparison between these two watches to see how much you're getting in this TicWatch Pro compared to the Galaxy Watch, and if it's actually worth the price, and maybe getting besides the Galaxy Watch if you don't have the money for the Galaxy Watch, let me know down in the comment sections below if you would like to see that comparison before I do an actual full review for this TicWatch Pro. I will spend a couple of days with it, compare the two, see what the differences are, what the similarities are. Let me know down in the comment sections below. Either way, I will do that video, but if you guys would like to see that video first, let me know down below. So there you have it. This is the TicWatch Pro. Let me know your thoughts down in the comment sections below, what you think so far. My first impressions, I am pretty impressed. For the price that you pay for a watch like this, you really can't complain. But like I said, I'm gonna have to spend some time with it to see if it is actually worth that price. So make sure you stay tuned for future videos. Don't forget to subscribe. Leave a thumbs up on this video if you did like it. And don't forget to turn on post notifications so you don't miss out on any other future videos to come. You guys, thank you so much for watching. This is Josh Quinones. I will see you guys on the next one. Peace out.